Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A15, and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So at first you have to simply go for your settings, find home screen and the wallpaper, then go to set wallpaper, and for example let's pick static wallpapers. Right now we have to pick wallpaper that fits you the best. I'm going to hit this one, so click to apply, and right now we have to click set as, and we have to choose set as a lock screen wallpaper. Tap on it once, take a look. As you can see, our home screen wallpaper doesn't change, but the lock screen, as you can see, is new. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.